Patients say, oh, well, how long does composite bonding last? How long does a car last? It depends how well it's serviced. It depends how well it's looked after in the meantime. And there's not a lot of things in this world that those analogies don't really, don't really tie in with. But on average, I would expect somewhere between 5 and 7 years for composite bonding. Some places might promise you a lot more. Okay, so composite bonding is it's not a new thing in dentistry. Although, you look at social media and you kind of think, oh, it's taken the world by storm over the last couple of years. Composite bonding is almost a social media phrase, but it's been around for decades. So, composite bonding is dentistry, and composite is the white filling material we've been using in dentistry for decades now. But a lot of patients kind of want this, when they refer to I want composite bonding, they kind of wanting this straight, symmetrical, broader, almost too straight, sort of Instagram type smile. But a lot of what can be achieved with composite bonding is the same with anything in life. It needs a maintenance phase. And that maintenance phase, it could be, it was certainly something that you're doing at home. Patients say, oh, well, how long does composite bonding last? How long does a car last? It depends how well it's serviced. It depends how well it's looked after in the meantime. And there's not a lot of things in this world that those analogies don't really, don't really tie in with. But on average, I would expect somewhere between 5 and 7 years for composite bonding. Some places might promise you a lot more. Some areas might promise you a little bit less. But the truth is, you can never make a guarantee. Dentistry is within biology. It's not an exact science, it's not computers, it's not ones and zeros, it's not mathematics. And therefore, again, every single patient is different. If you're a patient that grinds your teeth, then you're a patient that's going to wear the composite bonding down quicker. That may be why you end up having the composite bonding in the first place. So that's something that needs to be addressed first before the composite bonding. But things that you can do at home, things that you can do to improve the longevity of your composite bonding, to improve the look of your composite bonding, is things like brushing thoroughly, carefully but thoroughly, and that's something that we could always help you with. If we've done the composite bonding, we can give you little tips and tricks, showing you how to use the interdental techniques such as flossing and such as using TP brushes to be able to clean in between the teeth. But then also it could be that you've got a check-up, the bonding's just looking a little bit of a chip, you've maybe got a little bit of a margin where you've not been quite polishing it and brushing it as well as you could be doing at home, where it's stained up a little bit. And that's the beauty of composite bonding, is that it's sometimes just a quick little fix. You can literally just polish away a little staining around the edges, freshen them up a little bit, and could keep them going that little bit longer.